This hole goes straight through the frame rail here.
Yeah, and the pitting on this panel is extensive. We'll have to replace the whole section.
We're meticulously grinding down the welding beads on the Mach 5, ensuring every surface is perfectly smooth before the primer and paint.
The thick grime and corrosion are gently lifted by the foam. Only then can the high-pressure rinse reveal the iconic Mach 5 cap.
She's down.
All right, secure the lines. Good job.
Right here, the corrosion goes deep.
It's structurally weakened. We can't put pressure on the frame.
All right, keep coming straight back.
Right there, hold it. We'll start the assessment now.
Look at the extent of the pitting here. It's worse than we thought.
And these stress fractures near the hydrofoil connection. This is going to require a full structural rebuild.
This hole goes straight through the frame rail here.
Yeah, and the pitting on this panel is extensive. We'll have to replace the whole section.
Look at this crack here. The integrity is completely compromised. We need to measure the stress points immediately.
The salt water really did a number on the frame rails. It's worse than we thought. I'll make a note of the corrosion spread.
Check the caliper reading against the schematic one more time.
Looks good. We can cut along this line.
The legendary Mach 5, reduced to a bare frame. But from the sparks of restoration, a legend is reborn.
With the rust eradicated, the newly formed panels of the Mach 5 are meticulously welded, ensuring every curve matches the original design.
The Mach 5's original space frame suffered significant corrosion. We're meticulously MIG welding the joints to restore
measurements. The Mach 5 demands perfection. Here, the new rocker panel meets the original bodywork, a seamless fusion achieved. The legendary Mach 5 lives again. Decades of rust are burned away as the chassis is reborn, sparking new life into a timeless classic.
Quality control on the Mach 5 frame is paramount. We're checking for proper penetration and alignment, ensuring the integrity of this patched and welded shell.
We're meticulously grinding down the welding beads on the Mach 5, ensuring every surface is perfectly smooth before the primer and paint.
To ensure the Mach 5 could handle high speeds, the underbody was completely stripped and reinforced with these precise, hand-welded...
The legendary Mach 5. Every line, every panel scrutinized, confirmed flawless. The final prep begins now.
The Mach 5 body shell requires meticulous attention. Grinding the welds ensures a flawless surface for the subsequent coats of primer and paint. Altered. The Mach 5's undercarriage demands perfection.
This 1967 Mach 5 presents a unique challenge. Decades of saltwater exposure have this.
The thick grime and corrosion are gently lifted by the foam. Only then can the high-pressure rinse reveal the iconic Mach 5 cap. The heart of the Mach 5 beats again. With precision and care, we install the refurbished components, ensuring this
alignment is perfect.
Confirmed. All green across the board. The symmetry is restored.